Welcome. In this video I will show you how to check the temperature of your Surface Studio 2. So unfortunately we cannot use the native tools to check that. Therefore let's install the third-party application which is available in the Microsoft Store, and it is called the Hot CPU. Once you find this application, select it, then install. Wait until it's installed. Okay, so once this application is installed, you have to open it. Then if you click right here and show the hidden icons, you'll be able to find this widget. Click on it, and here you'll be able to find the information related to your device's temperature. As you can see, current temperature of the device's CPU is 40 degrees. And unfortunately we cannot properly read the temperature from this table, but we can still use this widget to check the temperature in real time. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.